Good morning, student. Take out your geography book of class 8. Today I discuss the chapter 1 resources. Okay. Do you know what is the Hindi meaning of resources? In Hindi we may say it is sansadhan. Now come to the point. Anything that fulfill human needs is called resources. Means the things which we have to got satisfied by the things we have to got satisfied is known as resources. The water that we drink, the air that we breathe, the food we eat, the product we use, our means of communication and travel are all example of resources. So there is some example that the water that we drink, suppose that if we feel the thirsty, then we should drink the water. By drinking the water we feel satisfaction. The air that we breathe, okay, the air that we breathe, for we take the oxygen from the air. The food we eat, the food which got from the plant, and that is directly or indirectly way we have to eat it. The product we use, our means of communication and travel, all the examples of resources. Okay, thus the list of resources is endless. It means that resources means the list of resources is endless. It has got endless power. However, it is important to understand that resources are not, they become. Means resources are not, but they become. Okay. This means that a line become a resources only when human utilize it. It means that the things become resources only when human utilizes. Okay, means if human has utilized any things, then it will become a resource. Okay, the things that are unexplored, unutilized and found in nature are called natural stuff. Okay, the things that are unexplored means we have to say that things which are not properly in a established form or not properly in a utilized form. Okay, and are found in nature are called natural stuffs. Natural stuffs in Hindi we may say it is a prakritik saman. Okay, now different resources are valued for different reasons. We all know this. In our world, in our environment, there are lots of resources which has got the different value by their different reason. Some resources can be bought and sold, or can be used to make things that can be bought and the sold. Means some resources can be bought or sold. Some resources which we can bought and the sold, but the some resources are that resources which we make the things, by which make the things, and then we have to bought and the sold it to the market. Such resources have economic value. Such resources means those resources which has made by the man has got economic value. Okay, like the crops and the minerals are such type of resources. Okay, now here question is raised, which type of resources has got the economic value? Give example. Then you say crops and mineral. Okay, many countries of the world have vast reserve of resources. We all know this thing that in the many parts of the country there are a vast source of resources. Okay, however, they do not have knowledge and technology to exploit and develop them. They means people, or we may say the country. The country do not have any knowledge on the technology, how to they develop the resources or how to they exploit the resources. Okay, thus such resources remains undeveloped and backward. Only for this reason some resources are undeveloped, and it doesn't have become a work, or we say it is in backward condition. Human needs vary from regions to region and from time to time. Means humans needs means we have to say the utilization of the human is known as its needs become vary. Means it means that उसका जो needs होता है वो vary करता है, आगे की ओर जाता है, region to region and from time to time. It depend on the natural environment. It is fully depend on the natural environment. It means humans need. Okay. And on the level of social, economic, cultural and technological development. And also it is depend on the level of social means, it is very quite familiar to you. Economic, it is also familiar to you. Economic means we may say the earth. Okay. Or we say the money. And the cultural and the technological development. Therefore the importance of particular resources depend not only on the changing technology but also the changing needs of people. It means that we may say the importance of a particular resource, the resources which has got a importance, they are totally depend not only on the changing technology. It means that in the change technology change, the resources isn't change, but also on the changing the needs of the people. If the people's need is change, then resources may be changed. Okay. So it is the first part, and I hope soon you have to got lots of the knowledge from here. So thank you.